Hello, to set up system navigation on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then go into home screen, and all the way down you have system navigation right here. You can change your system navigation to gestures and buttons. Let's select gestures, and right here you can learn gestures if you don't know how to use this type of navigation, but we will not do it right now. Alright, and here you have options of the gestures. You can hide full screen indicators, which doesn't show full screen indicators when using full screen gestures, and gesture confirmation. So for example, when you're watching videos or playing games, when you want to go back to home screen, you will have to do this gesture like twice. You will have to do this 2 times to the gesture to work. Right here below you have also tutorials of various gestures. If you don't know something and you want to learn something about these gestures, you can find it right here. Now let's change it to buttons, and right here we can turn on or off the mirror buttons, which basically swaps these buttons right here, as you can see, like that. Right here we have also button shortcuts, and here you can set up various shortcuts on the different button gestures, and so here you have the list of different shortcuts. And the last one is automatically disable navigation buttons, which disables the navigation buttons when status bar isn't displayed. And by going in here you can disable this option for probably all the applications in your phone, simply by going in here and changing the option to ask to disable, always disable, or never disable. So that's actually all about the gestures setup, the navigation system setup. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.